Mr. Speaker, while the Prime Minister will be representing Canada at the upcoming APEC, Commonwealth, and G20 summits to help deal with today's global economic challenges and to promote Canada's economy, the NDP is busy talking down the Canadian economy. In a period of global economic turbulence, the NDP want to impose more and more taxes on Canadians, from a $10 billion tax hike on businesses, a GST hike, a personal income tax hike, a new tax on everyday financial transactions, and the list goes on and on and on. Can the Minister of Finance explain how our government is taking a leadership role on the world stage in response to today's global economic challenges?
The Honourable Minister of Finance.
For the question, we are representing Canada proudly, Mr. Speaker, by leading by example, including the strongest financial system in the world, the lowest debt-to-GDP ratio in the G7, the best job growth in the G7, the best place to invest in the G7. We are leading with the next phase of Canada's Economic Action Plan and lowering taxes to create jobs. We are leading with a prudent plan to return to balanced budgets and surpluses. Now it's time for European leaders to act quickly with strong, decisive, and united leadership.